Square centimeter or centimeter square? Children, today we are going to see the difference between what a square centimeter is and what centimeter square. See, we are used to calculate areas of different shapes. Yeah, let us take a rectangle. And I say the length of this is 10 centimeters and the breadth is 5 centimeters. What is the area of this triangle? We say the area is length into breadth, so it is 10 into 5, which is 50, and you write centimeter raised to 2. How do you read this? How should you read this? Is it 50 centimeter square or 50 square centimeter? There's a big confusion which arises here. Majority make mistakes when you read this. Though we write it as centimeter raised to 2, how should you read this? Children, this should be read as 50 square centimeter. It should never be said as 50 centimeter square. Now, what's the difference between square centimeter and a centimeter square? What do you mean by saying 50 square centimeter? See, children, 50, I'll just explain first what is 50 centimeter square is. I'll write 50 centimeter square. I'll tell you the difference between the two, centimeter square and square centimeter. Let me just explain what 50 centimeter square is. See, the simple meaning is 50 centimeter is the length of a square which you are talking about. Means you are taking a square whose length is 50 centimeter. So which means you are not saying the area. You are only saying that you are taking a square of length 50 centimeter. And what do you mean by saying 50 square centimeter? What do you mean by saying 50 square centimeter? See, 50 square centimeter means you have to take 50 squares of length 1 centimeter. 50 squares of length 1 centimeter. So which means each square of length 1 centimeter, the area is 1. So likewise, you are taking 50 squares. So total makes 50 square centimeters. So the area is 50 square centimeters. I hope the idea is clear. So children, from now onwards, don't make mistake. This should be read as 50 square centimeter, not 50 centimeter square. So isn't it interesting? Children, you should not make any more mistakes. To know more about these types of mistakes which we make, and to understand the interesting topics in this, subscribe our YouTube channel.